Change your oil regularly. Your car's engine is like the heart of your vehicle. It's responsible for powering your car and getting you from point A to point B. Just like your heart, your engine needs regular maintenance to keep it running at its best. One of the most important things you can do for your engine is to change its oil regularly. In this video, we're going to talk about the benefits of changing your oil regularly and why it's important to make sure you stay on top of this important maintenance task. First, let's talk about what happens when you don't change your oil regularly. Over time, your engine oil breaks down and becomes less effective at lubricating your engine's moving parts. This can cause increased friction and wear and tear on your engine, which can lead to costly repairs down the line. Regular oil changes can help prevent this by keeping your engine properly lubricated and reducing the risk of damage. This can help prolong the life of your engine and save you money on repairs. Another benefit of regular oil changes is increased fuel efficiency. When your engine is properly lubricated, it doesn't have to work as hard to perform its tasks, which means it uses less fuel. This can save you money at the pump and help you get more miles out of each tank of gas. Regular oil changes can also help improve your car's performance. A well-lubricated engine runs more smoothly and efficiently, which can result in better acceleration, smoother shifting, and a more responsive driving experience. It's important to follow your car's manufacturer's recommended oil change schedule to ensure you're getting the most benefit from this important maintenance task. Failing to change your oil regularly can also void your car's warranty, leaving you responsible for any repairs that may be needed. In conclusion, changing your oil regularly is an essential part of car maintenance. It can help prevent engine damage, increase fuel efficiency, improve engine performance, and maintain your car's warranty. This recommendation will ensure your vehicle will last long, run better, increase efficiency, and the best thing this will do is not break the bank in the process. It is a very cheap insurance policy for both you and your vehicle. A filter, 5+ quarts of oil, depending on my vehicle, plus an oil additive will set you back roughly $60 to $90. Make sure to stay on top of your car's oil change schedule and bring your car to a trusted mechanic for this important task. At Ooze Basic Motorsports Performance Parts, we have a variety of oil, filter and engine additive brands to choose from. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take care of your car's engine by changing its oil regularly. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.